James? Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Thank you. I'm 21, not 15. My teeth real? Yes, I freaking want veneers though. I don't have any polish on my toenails. Chris, we freaking love you. He is not going down without a fight. Or probably down at all. Coolio, thank you for the roses. Why am I alive? Because there's nothing else better to do than to talk to my people. I've never seen that before. I don't have a Twitter, but I have an Instagram. It's Kaylee Montag, same thing as my main TikTok. If somebody wants to comment it for everybody, I will love you. I own TikTok. Who is sending these gifts? These are freaking sweet. I'm like blown away. Aw, you have the key to my heart, Coolio. Coolio's in the running. Oh my god, I own TikTok. These are dope. Oh my gosh. He's getting up there. Crazy Chris. This guy might be picking my tattoo for tomorrow. He really just shot up there so quick. He's already at 8.3K. Crazy Chris. Coolio. Oh gosh, 2 Mars. I own Dope! Dude, look! That's so cool! Oh my gosh, he's already at, what is that, 18? I own TikTok. You are literally a gem. Crazy Chris, what are you gonna do about it? If everybody's new here or not, my top gifter is picking my tattoo tomorrow. The only rule is you're not making me get your name. That's it. Only rule. No names. Thank you for all the gifts. 2 Mars. I own TikTok and Crazy Chris. Coolio. These are sweet. 23 point, what is that, 8? Oh my gosh, I love you guys. Oh my gosh, should I be nervous of what my tattoo is going to be now? Come on, Coolio. You got this. I own TikTok. Oh, he won! I thought I was getting a palm tree tomorrow because that's what Crazy Chris said. But I own TikTok. I don't know, man. When am I getting tatted? Dude, are you watching this? This is sweet. I've never seen any of these. I'm gonna follow. I'll let them battle it out. Come on. Would you get a blackout tattoo? Listen, I can't say no. Nothing like... Oh my god. Shush. I'm like amazed by these gifts. Holy crap. Do you get to like see some type of gifts that I don't on my screen? Like I'm confused. I've never seen any of these. Thank you. Also, after I get off of live, dude, I am loving this. I own TikTok. I love you. But anyway, when I get off of live, I'm gonna be checking my Instagram DMs. So, if anybody's interested in collabing or doing brand deals or anything of the sort, message me on Instagram. Hey, somebody redo that. Every time I do that one, I don't ever get a good picture with it. I know, I forget the time's delayed. Thank you for all the gifts. Those are so cool. Hi, yes, I'm from America. Oh my gosh, you made Crazy Chris leave. Oh no, Crazy Chris, where did you go, buddy? You did not have to leave. Thank you for all the gifts, though. Those were super cool. I've never seen any of those. You will do it? Get ready. Okay, I'm ready. Hold on. Ready? Okay, I'm ready. Alright, are you fooling me? Oh my gosh, I messed it up again.
I got it.
No, I didn't get a good picture.
I did.
I give up.